Hi, in this video I will do a quick unboxing of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum Mop second version, and I will show you what's inside the box. Okay, this is the box of the Mi Vacuum Robot Mop 2, and we will open it. Okay, when you open the box, it's like that. We'll put the vacuum cleaner aside and go to the rest of the box. This is the charging cable. This is the docking station. Some manuals in all possible languages. Additional mopping kit. And the main brush. And that's all what is inside the Xiaomi Mi Vacuum Cleaner Mop 2 box. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.